How to add a payment method on Walmart. If you want to add a payment method on Walmart, go ahead and then first of all launch the Walmart application and log into your Walmart account. Tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and these are the options that you'll be able to find. If I scroll down, here are a couple of options that I can see over here, right? So what do I do if I want to add a payment method? Tap on the gear icon or the settings icon from the top right hand side of the screen. When we've done that, we're going to come to this page. Go to the option called Wallet, and from Wallet you can select Add Payment Method. So just tap on it. You can see Walmart accepts so many different types of payment method. You can either type in your card number like your Visa, Discover, EBT, gift card or debit card, American Express card, Amex card, and so on. Otherwise, you can also directly connect your bank account, or you can also connect your PayPal account and tap on the save option to save the changes. This way you can go ahead and then add a payment method on Walmart. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.